My today topic is the, the ultimate car maintenance checklist. The maximize the life and performance of your vehicles. Here is a list of items you should check depending on the item. On the time season, some of these parts of your vehicle you should be checked regularly, other only in the long run. Be sure to follow your vehicles and maintenance schedule and vehicles interval board. Cleaning of your car and keeping it in proper running order takes a little bit of effort, but you definitely don't have to be a mechanical guy to keep your vehicle running well. The biggest hurdle is being aware of what need to be done and how often for optimal vehicle upkeep. By knowing the basic about what your car needs and when you should perform routine car maintenance, you will ensure that your car is top running condition. As an added bonus, if you can prove that your vehicle has been well maintained, you will be able to ask $12 when it's time to resell it. And of course, it's important to remember that car maintenance cost, while not always cheap, can ultimately help you avoid expensive repairs down the road. To make it easy to keep track of your car maintenance, so we have created a simple downloadable car maintenance checklist to help you keep on top of your automatic maintenance. Short-term checkup, oil and coolant level every month or every few gas will UPS, and especially before any longer road trips, it's good idea to get under the hood of your car, inspect both the oil and coolant level while the engine is cool. Low level of ether can lead to engine problem. If left unchecked, refer to your owner's manual to collect both on your specific vehicles. Air filter, your engine's air filter is what regulates the air that follow into your engine and help keep out debris and particulate. By making certain that your air filter is following properly, you can improve your fuel efficiency, decrease your emission, and help ensure that the life of your engine. That this can be done easily at home. So check your owner's manual for instructions and how often it need to be changed. Tire pressure and that intense well maintenance. Tires are integral to a safe, fuel efficient ride. Make it a habit to visual. Instead, your tires often check the pressure in your tires every month, and before long trips or carrying extra load, don't forget the spare. A tire pressure gauge will be needed to check your tire pressure also during the colder months. Note that tire pressure drops 1 pound with every 10-degree decrease in pressure. Your owner manner will tell you how much air pressure your tire need. You can check your tree depth using the simple mini method: headlight, turn signal, brake, and parking light. It's important that the light on your vehicles are properly functioning, but over time it can be easy item to overlook. Once a month, turn on your headlight when you're parked in front of a flat surface and check that both headlights are working properly. And well balance work around your car and visually inspect both turn signal and your parking lights. Have a front stand behind the car vehicle. You engage the brakes to be certain that your brake lights are functional. Oil filter, the motor oil in your vehicle engine serves or holds fluid function. It lubricates the moving parts, help act as a sealant. Debris cools are the engine, reduces wear and tear, and helps prevent engine corrosion. Keeping it clean is vehicle for good engine health Depending on your car and what kind of oil you are using, you may need to change both the oil filter such as every 3 months or 3,000 miles. Many newer vehicles owners manual will recommend changing your oil less frequently, often is between 5,000 and 10,000 miles. Check your vehicle owner's manual and consult with a professional to ascertain what is appropriate for your vehicle. Rotate tires depending on your vehicle's alignment, usage, and many other factors. The thread wear patterns on your tires may vary between the front and back tires or even from one side of the thread to the other. Rotating your tires may help to extend the service life of your tires by more evenly balancing the thread wear, the helping and prevent noise and vibrations problems. Wax vehicles, making certain to wax your vehicles every 6 months after washing it won't just keep it shining, it also helps to keep both the paint in good shape and reduce the sense chance of rust. Many irritants such as dust, sand, and salt can be built up, and environmental factors like ozone, ultraviolet light can cause microscopic damage, but waxing can help minimize this by forming a protective seal to extend your paint's life. Long-term checkup transmission fluid. Much like the oil in your engine, transmission fluid is lubricant that helps keep all of moving parts inside of your transmission vehicle. It is essential that you have a transmission fluid checked and changed when inspect shocks and screws. The shocks and screws on your car function to control the impact and rebound as your vehicle passes over bumps in the road, and as an essential part of your auto steering system. The coolant and fluid exchange, the, the radiator in your car is a vital component that helps to keep your engine cool and functioning properly. Having your contact system flushed regularly will help get rid of contaminant who can get inside, as well as ensure that your radiator too is filled to a proper level. Check your vehicle's manufacturer recommendations to find out how often your coolant should be exchanged. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and share to others. My videos is very trusted and